Bonjour, c'est Evie de French Speak. Welcome to another video. So I've been working on this list of truncated words, les mots tronqués, shortened words, for my students, and I thought I would record it with some examples so you can see what the full word sounds like, what the short word sounds like, and you will start noticing maybe why you're not being able to keep up with some of the fast spoken French that you hear, because there's quite a few words that we chop down to just one syllable or a few. So without further ado, here are my 31 shortened words. Comme d'hab is our first one. Comme d'hab. It's short for comme d'habitude, as usual in English. Par exemple, je suis en retard comme d'hab. I am late as usual. Les actus is short for les actualités, which is news. As-tu vu les actualités ce matin? Have you seen the news this morning? Un apéro. Un apéritif is the full version. An aperitif, it can be a pre-dinner drink or pre-dinner nibbles. Veux-tu un apéro? Do you want an apéro, an aperitif? Le resto. We often use this instead of le restaurant. The restaurant. On va au resto ce soir? Shall we go to the restaurant tonight? DAC. Very short. It's easy to miss it. It's short for d'accord. Okay. DAC. Un ordi is short for un ordinateur. J'ai besoin de ton ordi. I need your computer. Un anni is short for un anniversaire. C'est quand ton anniv? C'est quand ton anniv? When is your birthday? Dispo. Dispo, short for disponible. Available, free. Es-tu dispo mardi? Are you free on Tuesday? Le ciné, short for le cinéma, bien sûr, of course. The cinema. On va au ciné ce soir? Should we go to the movies tonight? To the cinema tonight? Un docu. Le documentaire is the full version. In English, we also do it. Documentary, doco. As-tu vu ce docu sur le Tour? Have you seen this documentary about the Tour de France? Le Tour is also short for le Tour de France. Une cata is short for une catastrophe. Une cata. It's a disaster. Quelle cata. What a disaster. Petit-déj. I think you can all guess that that one is le petit déjeuner, breakfast. J'ai déjà pris mon petit-déj. I've already had my brekkie, my breakfast. Un exo. Un exo is un exercice, an exercise. Avez-vous fait l'exo? Have you done the exercise? Une expo is short for une exposition. Une expo. As-tu vu l'expo de Matisse? Have you seen the Matisse exposition? La fac is short for la faculté, which is our word for l'université. So the uni is la fac. Es-tu allé à la fac hier? Did you go to uni yesterday? Un déca is short for un café décaféiné. Like you say in English, a decaf. Un déca. Je prends un déca. I'm having a decaf. La clim is short for la climatisation. La clim. Mettez la clim si vous voulez. Put the aircon on if you like, if you want. Le gaspille is short for le gaspillage, which is waste. Oh, c'est du gaspille. That's waste. That's wasteful. Bien. Un impair is short for un imperméable. Un impair. It's a raincoat. Elle porte un impair. La manif. La manif is short for la manifestation. It's a protest. Je vais à la manif. I'm going to the protest, to the march. Un vélib. Un vélib is short for un vélo en libre service. A little bit of vélo and a little bit of libre squished together. Un vélib. It's one of those self-service bikes that you can find in the main cities. In France, je viens en vélib. I'm coming by one of those bikes. It's not my bike. It's one of the ones that I can get on the street by swiping usually my credit card, and I get to use it for an hour or a day. Je viens en vélib. En sup. This is a very easy one to miss in a sentence. En sup. It means en supplémentaire. En supplément, extra. C'est en sup. It's extra. So you might have a meal and you ask for something else. They'll say, oh, that's extra. C'est en sup. La sécu is short for la sécurité sociale. It's rare that we hear the full version, so listen out for la sécu. Social security, je dois parler à la sécu. Pardon. Je dois parler à la sécu. I have to talk to social security. Un ou une intello. Une personne intelligente. It's usually used to say that someone's a nerd. Je pense que c'est une intello. I think that she's a nerd. Intello. Un micro. J'ai oublié mon micro pour le karaoké. J'ai oublié mon micro pour le karaoké. It's a microphone. Une occasion. Une occasion is short for une occasion, which can be an opportunity or something secondhand. So we have two meanings that are slightly different and two examples. C'est une bonne occasion. That's a great or good opportunity. Or c'est un vélo d'occasion, with a D apostrophe, and occasion. In that context, it's also a good opportunity, something to buy, something a bit cheaper, usually second hand. C'est un vélo d'occasion. Le ou la coloc. It's colocataire in its full form, which is a housemate, someone you co-rent with. Locataire is a renter. So housemate, colocataire. Tu connais mon coloc? Do you know my housemate? Tu connais mon coloc? Impec. It's going to be used as an adjective to describe something perfect or spot on. Impeccable is the full form. La soirée était impec. The evening was superb, perfect, spot on, great. La soirée était impec. Un psy. It could be une psy. It's short for psychologue. Make sure you pronounce the P in French. Un psy, une psy, mon psychologue. J'étais chez ma psy. I was at my psychologist place of work. J'étais chez ma psy. Réglo. Réglo is short for régulier. And here it's used to say legitimate, like you shorten it to legit. In English, it'll work like this. Ce n'est pas réglo. It's not legit. Et finalement, A plus. It can also be just the letter A and the symbol plus is short for à plus tard. You can say à plus tard, or you can just say à plus. Note that we only pronounce the S if it's à plus, the short version, and we don't pronounce the S in à plus tard, just P-L-U, plus. See you later. À plus. Et voilà. Now that was quite a long list. If they were all new to you, try to pick 10, jot them down, try to practice a sentence with each of them, and then come back in the comments and share with us a sentence that you made with one of those shortened words. Just pick the top 5 or 10 that are going to be the most useful for you, words that you usually say, and watch your teacher or your French friends and relatives be surprised as you use these shortened words. They make you sound very French, so go ahead and use them. If you liked this video, I'd love it if you could subscribe, click the bell to be notified every time I share a new video weekly. And if there are some that you've heard that I haven't mentioned in this list of 31, of course, please add them below. Let's make it an even bigger list. And who knows, I might come back and do another version with all of your extra words. But for now, that's probably plenty of shortened French words. And I hope it helps you to be able to pick some of those words when you feel like French is spoken so fast. Sometimes they're using some of these little words. And now that you know them, now that you're aware of them, you will be able to spot them more easily. À la prochaine!